G'day, it's Christine here from Chris W Designs, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Workman's Wallet. So here we have the Workman's Wallet. This is a raw edged project, which means you need to use something that doesn't fray around the edges, such as cork, leather or vinyl. I've been using cork and leather for mine, and I did try a vinyl one as well, but my favourite is the cork, but that's up to you and what you might have on hand. Now the Workman's Wallet features a ID pocket. Under the ID pocket you can see that we have another slip pocket here, and we have 3 credit card slots here at the front, and under that we have another slip pocket. You can put more cards in there or receipts or whatever. And on this side we have a coin pocket, closes with a snap. There you can see inside there. Under the coin pocket we have another slip pocket here, and at the back of the wallet we have our notes pocket for your wad of cash. And that folds in half just to slip into your back pocket or hubby's back pocket. It is designed for men, but of course if you want to use it, and you're a lady, there's no reason why you can't. Made out of pretty floral, it would look nice and easy to slip into your handbag. I just want to say a big, huge thank you to all the testers and proofreaders who helped me with this pattern, because without you guys I wouldn't be able to put out a pattern which I can feel as confident as I do about this one. But it's all good. Thank you, testers. You rock big time. So if you like this video, subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of any new releases as I add them. For this pattern and more of my patterns, head to www.chriswdesigns.com, and for the Aussies, www.chriswdesigns.com.au. Hit the like button.